Welcome. I'm Dr. Mustafa, along with my professor M. Abdul Aziz. Here, a humble attempt to introduce India's new Income Tax Act 2025. As we are aware, India is following Income Tax Act 1961 from 1964 years back. Now, India's taxation landscape has been transformed. Meet the book that defines the new era, Income Tax Act 2025, principles, computation, and contemporary applications for tax year 2026-27. It is an historic replacement of the Income Tax Act 1961. Comprehensive modernization of direct taxation, enhanced transparency and compliance. 64 years, one law, now changed forever. This book is the first India's complete academic and professional reference on the new law, covering 536 clauses across 23 chapters, fully updated as per the Finance Act 2026. The first salient feature of this book, complete and exclusive coverage. Every clauses, every schedule, every legal interpretation systematically explained with practical applications, including dedicated chapters on tax planning and tax management. All provisions of the Finance Act 2026 and Income Tax Rules 2026 are fully integrated with the latest CBDT circulars and notifications updated for tax year 2026-27. Here are some of the practical orientations. Complex provisions are presented in plain English, supported by flowcharts, diagrams, and tables. And every chapter comes with solved illustrations, real-world case studies, computation models across all income heads, and application-based judicial precedented analysis. Designed on Bloom's taxonomy and the NEP 2020 outcome-based education framework with learning objectives, conceptual frameworks, graded illustrations, judicial insights, chapter summaries, and self-assessment tools, including MCQs and numerical problems and case analysis. It also includes the examination-oriented question bank, contains over 2,500 questions covering MCQs, descriptive questions, numerical problems, past university examination question papers of the leading universities, as well as examination questions of leading professional institutes like Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, Institute of Cost and Management Accounts of India, Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and IIM like MBA institutes. It's a comprehensive transition. It's a comprehensive transition framework, provides section to clause mapping between 1961 Act and the 2025 Act with the impact analysis, side-by-side comparison tables, and Appendix A covering all 298 sections of the old Act mapped to all 536 clauses of the new one. Now, the book is forward-looking. It covers cryptocurrency, virtual digital asset, all tax administration, faceless assessment, e-commerce and gig economy taxation, global fiscal trends, including BEPS, the multilateral instrument, DTAA, transfer pricing, country by country reporting are explained, and ESG integration, green energy initiatives, CSR taxation, and governance compliance. It is all addressed in full in this. Similarly, as a summary, close by close explanation, 300 plus solved illustrations, 2,500 plus questions, AI and digital economy coverage, outcome-based pedagogical design, practical computation models, and full comparative analysis of the old and new Act. This is designed. This book is designed for every tax learner, for degree level BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, and professional courses like CA, CMA, ICS, and other MBA, and other competitive examinations. The book is divided into, these are book's chapters. Book is divided into 3 sections, 3 parts. First part consists of the entire Act. It is divided into 23 chapters, chapter 1 to chapter 23. Then second part consists of regarding the assessment. 9 chapters are designed, and also part 3 consists of 10 chapters exclusively for tax planning and tax management. Then it also covers all the schedules, 16 schedules it also covers. Then this is the key features. Similarly, a flowchart for all the numbers, sections, and this is also the complete transformation section close mapping. And as we are all aware, this Act, new Act, makes certain changes, like the sections are changed into clauses, and the assessment year, previous year confusion was over. Only tax year is introduced, that is a financial year in which the income is earned. That year in itself, the income will be assessed and taxed. So this is the India's first generation academic resource on the Income Tax Act 2025. Whether the learner, the reader is a student or a practitioner or a professional, this is the one reference you can afford. And also Income Tax 2025, principles, computation, contemporary applications, and this is published by the India's leading textbook publisher, Sahitya Bhavan Publications. And we are very glad to introduce this textbook for the entire Indian students, professionals, as well as practitioners and policy makers. Thank you. Thank you very much.